Every Saturday morning, Leo visited his favorite bakery to buy fresh bread and pastries. It was a small, cozy place with delicious smells and a friendly baker named Mrs. Gomez, who always greeted him with a smile. One Saturday, as Leo entered, he noticed a sign on the counter, "Baker for a day, try making your own bread." Leo was curious and asked Mrs. Gomez about it. Mrs. Gomez explained, "We're hosting a small class today for anyone who wants to learn how to bake. Would you like to join us?" Leo hesitated but decided to give it a try. He had always loved eating bread, but he'd never made it himself. The class began with Mrs. Gomez showing the group how to mix flour, water, salt, and yeast to make dough. Leo found it a bit tricky, but enjoyed kneading the dough. After a while, he placed his dough in the oven, excited to see how it would turn out. When the bread finished baking, Leo took his first bite and was surprised by how delicious it was. He couldn't believe he had made it himself. At the end of the class, Mrs. Gomez handed everyone a small recipe card so they could try baking at home. Leo thanked her and walked out with a warm loaf of bread and a big smile, feeling proud of his new skill.
Now it's quiz time. What did Leo do every Saturday morning? A. Visit his friend. B. Go to the bakery. C. Read a book. D. Go to the park. Answer: B. Go to the bakery. What was the sign on the counter about? A. A special sale. B. Free coffee. C. Baking class. D. New pastries. Answer: C. Baking class. What did Leo learn to make in the class? A. Cookies. B. Bread. C. Cake. D. Muffins. Answer: B. Bread. What did Mrs. Gomez give Leo at the end of the class? A. A loaf of bread. B. A baking pan. C. A recipe card. D. A gift card. Answer: C. A recipe card. How did Leo feel after baking his own bread? A. Disappointed. B. Angry. C. Proud. D. Sad. Answer: C. Proud.
Now it's vocabulary time. Knead, meaning to press, fold, and stretch dough to make it smooth and elastic, usually when baking. Recipe, meaning a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish or food item. Curious, meaning eager to know or learn something, showing interest. Pastry, meaning baked food made from dough, such as cakes, tarts, and croissants. Accomplishment, meaning something that has been achieved successfully, giving a sense of pride.